If you are interested to buy the material, below any video of my channel, below the video on the information field, you can find all my contact methods, my Facebook page address, and my email address. Just send me a message via Facebook page or send me an email for the detail will be okay. Okay, now let's get started for the tutorial. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my third idea to decorate the hope stand. On my second idea, I use my floral wreath to decorate the hope. If you don't want so much flower, if you think it's too much gorgeous, you can change the floral wreath to our orchid wreath. Okay, let's get started. Okay, speaking of our orchid wreath, look at this. Our orchid wreath is very long, about 1.4 meters long, and there's iron wire inside. So let's take the hook off the stand, so it will be much more convenient for me to tie up the orchid wire. This time we will use 2 orchid wire because look at the orchid wire. The flower are top upstream. So if we tie from this face of the hook, the come out will be not good. So we will put one wire on this way, on this face, and one wire on this face. Okay, starting. Like this. Okay, so let's tie them. Use this trick tie. I don't know if there are some green trick type, but if they have green color, the come out will be much more perfect. But anyway, it's quite enough. Okay, I will tie the following. Okay, so the first wire, orchid wire, was tied on the hook, and then the second wire, and this wire will start here. Look at this. Turn it on. Maybe I turn off the orchid wire, so the flower wire can go from under the hook. Okay, that's a good idea. And look at the flower head for the second one. This flower head, and if the flower head on the first one on display, so the flower head, the place of the flower head kept on display or display, but don't put the flower head comes through from this place, so it will be, the come out will be better and will be easy to tie them. Okay. Okay. Now, here. But anyway, if you know my idea, I will write it on the hook and show you the effect. Okay, to speak up, I already typed the second white on the hook. When you tie the second white on the hook, it will be a little bit difficult than you tie the first white, because you know, there are so many white on the hook. But anyway, the effect is good. So let's install let's install the stand. Okay, like this. Okay. If you want to know this is a sample hook stand. If you want to know how to assemble the hook in detail, you can check my old video. Find the link on the information field below the video. Okay, I will show you how to find the link. 1 second. Okay, this is the effect after I tie the Orchid on the hook. Look at this. Since our hook stand are made of acrylic, the color is transparent. It's a clean stand. So look at this. It looks like you just make the home with the green stand, with the green wire. You cannot see our hook. So this is the effect. Only our clean hook stand could make the effect. It will be very beautiful. And look at this place. Our flower Orchid is not long enough because our hook is large. It's 50 cm in diameter. In fact, you can put some flower or some candle on display, so it can cover here. Or you can take a small piece of orchid wire and tie like how I tie the long wire. Just tie on display will be okay. This small part is come from our long orchid wire. Just cut a small part out will be okay. But since I just try to make the tutorial to show you my idea, so I don't want to spend much time to make it. If you want, you can, I think you can tie it on this place. It's not difficult, very simple. Okay. Okay, then let me read the string LED light string on the hook. It's very simple, just read it. Will be okay. I will show you the effect. And then I already tied the LED light string. I will show you the effect later. Let's tie the bubble on the hook also. Just tie on the hook will be okay. Trick. Okay. Let's turn on the light. Ta-da! If you have the LED candle, put them on the bubble. The effect will be much more pretty. Okay. Let me. Okay. I need to change foam because this foam is not perform good on darker environment. Okay, I change another cell phone. In fact, if the effect it perform not good also, but just a little bit better. In fact, the color is very warm, very romantic, but I cannot tell how it looks in reality, but actually it's very warm, very romantic. Maybe you can try buy some material and try. It's really very beautiful. Okay, I turn on the light. Okay, so in fact, I think it's quite beautiful. But if you want to do more, let's try to add some leaf here. I will show you. Adding some leaf with our leaf wire will be very simple. There's iron wire is inside, so you can bend it and wrap it. Okay, start with here. Like this. Okay, so I will show you the effect. Okay, this is the outcome after I read the leaf wine. Which type you like? I like the Orchid wine without leaf wine. I like something elegant but simple. I use 3 leaf wine. If you want to know how many material I use and the cost, you can check my Facebook page. Okay, open the light. Turn on the light. Wow, it's really beautiful. I love it. Now let's check the detail. The effects are very beautiful by using our clean hook stand. Because by using this clean hook stand, you cannot see the hook. It looks like we just make the hook with the flower wine. The effect will be much more sparkle. Okay, let me turn off the light. Okay, so I have to change another cell phone because this cell phone not perform good on dark environment. Okay, if I change another cell phone, the effect will be much more better, but in fact, the reality effect will be much more pretty. Okay, I turn on the light of my room. Okay, this is today's tutorial. If you want to buy the material, please kindly find my link to my Facebook page. The link are placed on the information field below the video. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.